We'll solve an inequality and we'll write set notation for the answer. The inequality that we're solving is negative 4 times y is less than or equal to negative 32. Now to get y alone on the left-hand side of the inequality, I can divide both sides of the inequality by negative 4. So on the left, I would have negative 4y divided by negative 4. We're using the multiplication principle for inequalities to do this, and that principle says that if we divide or multiply both sides of an inequality by a negative number, we have to reverse the inequality symbol. So we'll reverse the less than or equal to symbol and write greater than or equal to here. And on the right then I have negative 32 divided by negative 4. Then on the left-hand side, negative 4y divided by negative 4 is just y. And on the right-hand side, negative 32 divided by negative 4 is equal to 8. So the solution set for this inequality can be written as the set of all y such that y is greater than or equal to 8.